Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about creating a successful pumping routine from day one and share some helpful ideas for mothers who are just starting their pumping journey. When many mothers begin pumping, they often focus on getting everything perfect right away. However, the most important thing is building a routine that feels comfortable and realistic for everyday life. A good pumping session often starts before the pump is even turned on. Preparing your space, gathering your supplies, and making sure everything is ready can help the experience feel much smoother. Many mothers find that having a dedicated pumping area helps them stay organized. Keeping pump parts, storage containers, and cleaning supplies in one place can save time and reduce stress. Comfort also plays an important role. Sitting in a comfortable chair and creating a calm environment can make sessions feel more relaxing and enjoyable. As you continue pumping, you may notice that some days feel different from others. This is completely normal and part of many mothers' experiences. Instead of focusing on individual sessions, many mothers find it helpful to focus on consistency over time. Small daily habits often lead to the best long-term results. Good organization after each session is also important. Proper storage and cleaning can make the next session easier and help maintain a smooth routine. Over time, pumping often becomes less about learning the equipment and more about finding a rhythm that fits naturally into your lifestyle. Every mother's journey is unique, and the best routine is usually the one that feels sustainable and comfortable for you. With patience, consistency, and a little preparation, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.